I've been working on creating a system that interfaces with our avalanche mitigation route forms so that we can visually see on Google Earth and on topographical maps where we've done avalanche mitigation. So this is Google Earth showing some high alpine terrain. It's Roberto's in the middle. This is a sample of our route log forms. I can show, you would enter your date, who the route leader is, what kind of avalanche mitigation you've done, and where. Let's say it was done on this date, AE on Upper Roberto's, ski cutting on Lower Roberto's, and then AE on the West 2 tram as well, and you'd submit it. This program would be running on our computer at an interval every few minutes, whatever we decide. It gathers that data and creates a file that gets refreshed in Google Earth or whatever mapping program you choose at every determined interval, at set determined interval, so it would update automatically. The different colors represent the different types of avalanche mitigation, whether it was that AE or ski cutting or protective skiing. You can see folders are created. There was some data already entered before from previous dates. So you could see from this date we just entered, the 23rd, ski cutting on Lower Roberto's, AE Upper Roberto's, AE West 2 tram. You could look just at this date, see what we did. Or we could look at other dates as well, see what was done. AE on West 2 tram on the 22nd. AE on Upper Roberto's, and we see who did those efforts, who led that route. If you wanted, you could also import that data into topographic maps as well. And see it in whatever kind of map you choose in that system.